Right here is the WAVLINK Wi-Fi extender. This thing is a great way to get 300 meters or 300 yards or 3 football fields outdoor access to your Wi-Fi. This is going to extend it a lot. So it's easy installation, it's flexible management, it supports AP, router, range extender modes, robust weatherproof enclosure design. You can get wireless speeds up to 300 megabytes per second, and a one directional antenna. In the box, it's pretty simple to set up. You have your device here that you will connect to you'll connect it here, connect it to your Ethernet port. You have your antenna here and everything that you need to mount this up on your wall, or even like zip tie it to a pole if you need to. It has all the tools you need for that. Something like this is great if you have maybe a security camera that's farther on your property and you want to be able to capture that, or maybe you have people that stay in like your garage that's on a different part of your property and you want that Wi-Fi range extender. There's lots of uses for this, and it works, and it's very easy to set up. So if you're looking for something like this, I highly recommend the WAVLINK, and thanks for watching.